So in the earlier video, we saw how we can implement or create this output using the while loop. Okay, now I'm going to show you the same thing using for loop, all right, and the range function. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a new block here, and what I'm going to say is using the for loop for item in range. All right, since I want to start from 2, I want to go until 20, so I say the end value is 21 and I increment by 2. Okay, and then I say print, all right, count value equals count. All right, so is item. Okay, I'm using the variable item here, and once I'm done with everything, I say print goodbye. All right, so this is much more compact. All right, this code compared to the while loop code, and using the range function, we can specify the start, which is 2, the end, which is 1 less than this number, which is 21 minus 1, which would be 20, and an increment in step sizes of 2. All right, and in each iteration, I take the number that is in item, all right, based on the range, and I print it out. When I finish the loop, I say goodbye. All right, so you can see that I generate the same output as before. All right, so you can use while loop or you can use for loop, all right, to create the same output here. All right, so hope you get a better understanding now on using both the while loop and the for loop for such an application. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.